So hi guys, welcome to Tech and Engineering World by Jasing. So guys, today I'll show you that how to replace the battery of our multimeter. So here you can see guys, this is a multimeter and it shows a side symbol that the battery symbol, it shows at the side that the battery is low. So guys, in my it's not showing that, so I am just changing my battery just to show you that how to change. So first of all we have to just take out the screw bolts from the back side. So guys, if you like my videos and my this playlist, so please subscribe this channel and like this video. So guys, here you can see my one nut is open, and from the other side also I am just taking out. So here you can see guys, now it's open. So now guys, I'll just explain you some how that what is it. So guys, here you can see on the upper side this is a battery. So I'll just remove first of all this battery. I'll just remove it. So guys, after removing, here you can see it's a buzzer. This is an LED and this is a buzzer. It's an the module, and this is for these are the testers which we add the wires. So now I'll just replace this battery. So now guys, here you can see I have just set it to a 20 test to a 20 volt. Now we'll just test it. So now guys, I have taken one supply. You can take for the testing, you can take anything. So I have taken this supply. Now we will just check that it's working or not. So guys, after attaching the wires, I am here back. So we have just first of all we'll just check that the battery. So it's giving 9 volt guys. It was the new one only guys. So just for showing only I have just showed you. So here you can see this is the ampere, 0.98 amperes. Now here you can see we'll just check the ampere. So guys, for the ampere we have to just put a red one in the top one. So here you can see it is 1.60, 1.0, it's 1 ampere, about 1 ampere. So guys, now we'll just check this supply voltage. So here you can see guys, first of all I am just checking the ampere of the supply. So here you can see it is guys, as I have taken only one wire of the supply. So as we will add, we will just going to add more wires, the ampere will increase. Now we'll just check the voltage. So here you can see now it's the voltage check in this this supply. So here you can see I'll just connect this wire. So here you can see it's the 12 volt, 12.16 volt power. So guys, if you like my video, so please subscribe this channel and like my videos, as my videos come every day on my channel. So guys, from this time I'll just we will just post our video 1 week, like 1 week my video will come and 1 week will be my holiday. So guys, we will just close it, and thank you guys for watching this video. Next video soon.